When people call me to ask me about Western Florida, most of the times they're interested in knowing what should they do. Should they buy or should they rent a property first to kind of know the city and understand how everything works here. So today, I'm gonna show you a rental property, a beautiful rental property. I'm gonna explain everything about it, and I want you to understand what is possible if you wanna rent a property first and then buy, or if you live nearby and what's the possibility as far as rental. And this property has everything you wish for. I hope you enjoy my video, and I'll see you next week. Welcome to 1100 Chinaberry Drive in Weston, Florida. This is a single-story home inside Savanna, one of Weston's most loved guard-gated communities. People choose Savanna because it's easy, safe, and complete. The streets are clean, the amenities are great, and everything you need is close by. Let me show you around. As we walk in, you feel it right away, bright, open, and comfortable. The living and dining area is your first look at the home's easy flow. There's good natural light and simple clean lines that make furniture placement a breeze. Nothing fussy, just a space that works for every day and for having friends over. This floor plan is a split layout. The main living areas are in the middle, and the bedrooms are split into two wings for privacy. We'll start on the secondary side. Off the hallway, the laundry room keeps everything practical: full-size washer and dryer, a counter for folding, and storage so things stay tidy. It's one of those spots you'll use every single day, and it's set up to make life easier. Bedroom 1 is a nice size and has a custom California-style closet, so you get real storage that's actually useful. Nearby is the hall bath that both bedrooms share. It's been updated, so it feels fresh and clean, exactly what you want for guests or kids. Bedroom 2 on this side also has a good closet and that same easy access to the bath. These rooms can be whatever you need: bedrooms, an office, a playroom, hobby space. You decide. Before we head back, a quick stop by the garage right off the laundry. This space was used as a home gym before, and you can see why. There's cabinetry, a work area, and room for storage. It's organized, it's clean, and it lets you put everything in its place: tools, sports gear, luggage, decorations, without taking over the rest of the house. Now let's go to the other side, the heart of the home. The kitchen opens to the family room, so you're connected to the conversation while you cook or make coffee. You've got solid countertop space, plenty of cabinets, quality appliances, and a wine cooler for easy entertaining. From here, you can see the family room, and you can also see straight out to the backyard and the pool. That connection makes daily life simple. Kids doing homework at the table, a game on the TV, guests chatting while you finish dinner. Notice the high ceilings. The home was freshly painted and professionally cleaned, so it feels crisp and move-in ready. Slide the doors open, and the indoor-outdoor flow just works. Morning coffee on the patio, lunch outside, a quick dip before dinner. It's the South Florida rhythm we all love. Tucked away on the opposite side is the private wing for the primary suite. It's quiet and generous, with flexible wall space, so your furniture fits without a fight. The closet is a favorite, fully built out and ready for all the bags, shoes, and everyday pieces you actually use. The bathroom brings that spa feel home. A soaking tub for slow weekends, and a walk-in shower that's roomy and comfortable. Simple, clean, and easy to keep that way. Let's spend a moment outside. The backyard gives you a comfortable patio and a sparkling pool. It's a great setup for relaxing after work, casual weekends, and simple get-togethers. You can grill, read, host, or just flow. It's not complicated. It's exactly what you want from a Florida backyard. Living in Savanna is a big part of the value here. You get guard-gated entries, multiple pools, a clubhouse, playgrounds, sports fields, and lots of green space. There are sidewalks for morning walks and evening strolls. The amenities are well kept and they're close, so you'll actually use them. It feels like a resort without leaving your neighborhood. Location matters, and this one is convenient. You're on Weston's western side with quick access to I-75, I-595, and the Sawgrass. That puts Fort Lauderdale, Miami, and Palm Beach within easy reach for airports, beaches, work, and fun. Day-to-day errands are simple too. Groceries, coffee, fitness, healthcare, they're all nearby. And if you love nature, you're close to parks and the Everglades. So fresh air and open skies are always on the menu. Back inside, the little things add up. The high ceiling feel through the main areas. Fresh paint, so everything looks crisp on day one. A kitchen that's truly the center of the home. Storage where you need it, bedroom closets, hallway spaces, and that organized garage. So the house lives bigger than the square footage. The layout gives you connection when you want it and privacy when you need it. It's calm, it's bright, and it just makes sense. Picture your routine here. Toss a load in that practical laundry, get a quick workout or project session in the garage, prep dinner while chatting across the island, open the sliders for a little sunset breeze, then wrap the night with a swim or a quiet movie. End the day in a private, peaceful primary suite. That's the rhythm this house supports. And when you add Savanna's lifestyle, pools, clubhouse, fields, green space, and that cared for look all around, you get a home plus a community that actually makes life easier. No drama, just a good, simple setup that lets you enjoy your time. If you're looking for a bright, single-story home with a split plan, real storage, an easy indoor-outdoor flow, and a community that delivers, 1100 China Berry Drive is worth a look. If you want details on fees, recent updates, or you'd like a private tour, send me a message. I'm happy to walk you through everything.